This is the second of 3 modules on how to get a job with the federal government using the non-competitive Schedule A hiring authority for individuals with disabilities. This module demonstrates how to set up a profile on USA Jobs and upload the job seeker's Schedule A letter. Here are 3 steps to applying with the federal government under a Schedule A hiring authority appointment. In Module 1, we covered how a job seeker obtains a Schedule A letter from the Department of Rehabilitation. Now we will cover how a job seeker sets up a profile on USAjobs.gov and uploads the Schedule A letter into their profile. In the final module, we will cover the last step, which is how a job seeker can search for and apply for a job as a Schedule A candidate. USA Jobs is the main employment website for the federal government. On this site, a job seeker can find and apply for jobs as well as get answers to questions about federal employment. The job seeker can set up their profile ahead of time so they can be ready when they find a job they may want to apply for. Here's how to set up the USA Jobs profile. Go to www.usajobs.gov. From there, the job seeker can create a user profile, build and edit a federal resume, upload supporting documents, including but not limited to the Schedule A letter, search for open positions and save the search for later. They can also manage multiple resumes and applications within their profile. Now, here are some tips about federal resumes for the job seeker. First, research federal resumes on USAjobs.gov, where FAQs, frequently asked questions, about the federal resume and other topics are provided. Federal resumes for jobs with the federal government are more comprehensive than most resumes for other kinds of jobs. It is advisable for the job seeker to do research and find out what is expected to complete the comprehensive resume before applying for positions within the federal government. Once a job seeker develops their profile and begins to build their federal resume, they can then start uploading documents into their profile. The job seeker will want to upload the Schedule A letter and all other required documents. Here are some hints from the Federal Hiring Authority about applying as a person with a disability. The job seeker is advised to mention Schedule A eligibility. They should state that they want to be considered for Schedule A hiring authority on the resume itself and in the cover letter if one is used. The job seeker should select the Schedule A disabled option in the USA Jobs account profile on the Special Hiring Options page, as this helps the job seeker's resume become available to agencies that want to recruit individuals who may be eligible to apply under Schedule A hiring authority. USA Jobs maintains a resume bank, so if the job seeker makes the resume searchable, hiring managers searching for applicants can see the resume and parts of the job seeker's profile. To make the resume searchable and for some helpful tips, please check out the How-To section of www.usajobs.gov. HR specialists and hiring managers from federal agencies use resume mining to look for people with searchable resumes to fill their job vacancies. When the resume is searchable, the profile is searchable too. The resume needs to be searchable for the candidate to be considered for the position. If there are any questions or concerns about the Schedule A hiring authority, please contact the U.S. Office of Personnel Management, OPM, at 202-606-1800 or at disabilityemployment@opm.gov. To find a local Department of Rehabilitation office to obtain a Schedule A letter, please visit www.dor.ca.gov. Thank you.